Hey everybody, it's Mike here from the We Rent Shop. I just want to bring you another Mechanics Manifesto for today. Don't ever let somebody else make you think that your goals or your wishes or your dreams are stupid or lofty or unattainable. I'm here to tell you that if you have a dream, go for it. Don't ever think that something is not within your capabilities, because if you work hard at it, if you believe in it enough, you will achieve it. And there's going to be a lot of hardship along the way, a lot of naysayers, a lot of roadblocks, a lot of everything. But everything that you're seeing and here, I never thought that I would have any of this until I was 70 years old. This was always my stretch goal in life. I wanted my own facility. I wanted to restore my project car I feel so passionately about. And the opportunity came and I stepped up and I took it. But only when my eyes were opened. This was something that I thought was impossible. I had to get over a lot of limiting beliefs in order to do this. So you want to hear about a lofty goal? I'm telling you, you've heard it here first. I am going to be one of the top automotive influencers in the world. This is where it's all starting. That is my goal. I've told that to some people and they've laughed at me. Or they were just silent. They had like that condescending silence, like they didn't quite believe what I was saying, or that what I was saying was just utterly ridiculous. So don't let anybody ever make you think that it's unachievable. Unreasonable people with unreasonable goals are the ones who change the world. Unreasonable people are the ones who get what they want. You know why? Because they don't sacrifice and they don't compromise on their goals. They're unreasonably belligerent when it comes to getting what they want. Now, along the journey, you're going to have to be a little bit more fluid. You're going to have to adjust. You're going to have to pivot. You're going to have to be open to a lot of change. But the one thing that you have to be belligerent about in life are your values and your integrity and your long-term goals. This was a long-term goal, what you're looking at. This was something I was not willing to compromise on no matter what. No matter what happened, no matter who came into my life, I don't care. I was never willing to compromise on any of this. I almost did. There were periods of time where things got so bad in my life that I considered selling this car because I just couldn't deal with it anymore. It was such an anchor. The thought of putting all this work and putting all this money and time and effort, I never thought I would have the time, never thought I would have the energy. But I didn't compromise. I didn't quit. I didn't compromise. So I don't care how outlandish it seems. Be unreasonable. Don't let people talk you out of it, because the people closest to you are going to be the ones who try. And the reason is because they had goals that they had to give up on. So they want to see you give up on yours. Don't buy into it. Don't fall for it. Just do it. Just do it. Don't think about it. Take massive action and just do it.